Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about frying eggplants. There have been methods around telling you the things to do to prevent absorbing a lot of oil when you want to fry the eggplants, like soaking them in the water or grill them instead. But the thing is that whatever you do with the eggplants, whether you grill it or you just soak them in the water and then fry it to prevent from absorbing oil, it doesn't taste that nice. So, are there any ways that you can actually fry them directly without absorbing oil and then you can enjoy the taste of really fried eggplants? I'm going to tell you a secret that I bet you didn't know. There's a way to fry the eggplants directly without soaking them, without trying to grill them or do anything with the eggplants. If you do exactly what I show you, you're gonna end up beautiful golden fried eggplants without absorbing any oil. So the first time you pour oil in your frying pan to fry the eggplants, that is the only oil you've been using it, and after frying even a lot of eggplants, you're gonna end up the same oil staying in your frying pan without much of absorption of the oil. So let's find out how to fry the eggplants golden and nice with a secret method that I'm gonna reveal. Start by peeling off the eggplants. Then slice the eggplants in a way that you like. Sprinkle some salts over the sliced eggplants and massage the eggplants with your hand and set the eggplants aside for 15 minutes. Next step, separate 2 egg whites from the yolks. We are going to use the egg whites. Whisk the egg whites until they are smooth and runny. Then transfer the egg whites into the white plate and set it aside. Place your frying pan over the medium to high heat and pour some oil inside the frying pan. Let the oil to get completely hot. Once the oil is hot, start soaking each slice of the eggplant inside the egg white and then place them inside the frying pan to fry. The flames must be set to medium to high. When you are soaking the eggplant slices inside the egg white, it causes the eggplant to get fried golden without absorption any oil. Don't worry about the egg whites, your eggplants are not going to taste any of the egg white at all, and at the end of the frying there is no sign of egg whites over them. The egg white causes the eggplants to get fried so fast and golden, and amazingly they are completely cooked inside. Once each slice of eggplants is completely golden fried in both sides, take them over the paper towel. At the end of the frying process, you will see there is the exactly same amount of oil that we poured at the first time in the frying pan, and you can still fry a lot of eggplants with the same oil with the same method. Please share and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for all other future videos.